What's up, guys? In this video, we are going to talk about something about color theory. If you don't know how to design your website, if you don't know how to make it attractive, then color plays an important role. If you know how to code, that's okay, but you can't make the website attractive although you know how to code. You should learn how to make your website attractive, how to make your website more lovable, how to make your website have more clarity in it, have more to grow its traffic. We must make it more attractive, right? So let's start today's video, and I'll be creating a series regarding web design, so you could just check that out. I'll be posting it daily, and in this video we are talking about color theory. So if you don't know, different colors represent different meanings. If you have a website where red color is the most used color, then it might be because the company, the website that you build is passionate, is active, is exciting, is bold, is youthful. Some of the brands that use red colors are Kellogg's, Coca-Cola, Nintendo, Red Bull, Pinterest. So you might be going with red color if your website is similar to these brands. And so we have pink color that represents love, calm, respect, warmth, long term, feminine, care, sensitive, nurture. So the brands that use pink color include Three, Barbie, Victoria's Secret, BBC. So you could just check that out. And if you want to use purple color, then you should definitely be, your website should definitely be deep creativity and original, individual. These are all the characteristics that your website should have if you are building such type of website like Yahoo, Cadbury, right? So we have another color, navy, that means trust, order, loyalty, sincere, authority, peace, control, responsible, success. So the brands that are using this color are Facebook, Reebok. So if you don't know that, these companies have to have the trust of the consumers, right? So we have to trust Facebook because we give our very sensitive data to Facebook. So Facebook is designed in Navicolor so that our human mind is designed in such a order that we feel Navicolor as a trusty color, right? So these brands use navy color, and we have green color that means balance, growth, that means natural, right? So if you have ever had bought something from Amazon fresh, right? So vegetables, so they are all green and they represent safety here, clarity. Some of the brands that use green color are Starbucks, and we have Tic Tac here. And so we'll be discussing about blue color now. Blue color means spirit, perspective, content, control, rescue, open ambition, right? So brands that are using blue color are Intel, Internet Explorer, Skype, WordPress, Twitter, etc. So we have orange color here, which represents instinct, warmth, gut reaction, optimistic, spontaneity, extrovert, right? So some of the company that uses orange are Fanta, Mastercard, Bentley, Blogger. So you could just check that out. You should know what type of website you are building, and you should make the design according to this color theory. And we have a color palette over here. A color palette is something, as you have seen in many websites, that there is not a single color in the website, right? A single color can't be used to describe every content in website. So we have different colors, but to make the color more attractive, make we have to pick several colors that matches with each other with our website. So this is a color palette. We have these different types of colors, right? You can see here we have cool colors, half the circle, and we have warm colors and another half circle. So let's talk about how websites are created with different color combination. So the first one is analogous color schemes. Analogous color schemes means in a color palette, if you choose the corresponding colors, then you have analogous colors, right? So it might be it might be useful if you want to make user attached to your website for a long time, right? So if they want to use your website for a long time, you must use analogous colors because very they are very very useful if you want to make them last long in your website. So these might not be eye catchy, but they might stay long in your website, so you should choose the corresponding colors in a color palette as well. Analogous color schemes, right? So we have another, they are complementary color combinations, that means exact opposite, right? So if you want to make a classy logo, then you must choose complementary color, right? So you have to choose the exact opposite color. For example, here we have red and green, they are exactly opposite, and the color palette they make something eye catchy, right? So they make eye catchy, but they can't last longer. We can't look at that image for a long time. That's how our brain works. So we have, so we have split complementary color scheme where we choose a color and we choose the corresponding color of the exact opposite color. So we have this color, and yellow color in this color palette, right? So we could choose this color, yellow, orange, and we could choose this blue and green color and blue and violet color, right? So there are split complementary color scheme. You could use that also to have quality color. They are the most used color palettes we have ever seen, and they are a bit outdated. So what we do is we make an equilateral, we make 60-degree with each of the color that we select, right? So this color and this color, if you make a line over here from the center, we draw over here and over here, these two lines make 60-degree, right? So it also makes 60 degrees. So we have three color combination that make 60-degree with each other from the center, right? So this is Friday color and it is much outdated. To have the modern color that we use, that we prefer, the monochromatic color, right? So here monochromatic means using the same type of color but with different brightness and different dark level, right? So the different contrast, these are monochromatic colors. We could use this color and this color, this color and this color, this color and this colors, right? Same color with different contrast. We could use sky blue over here, sky blue with very less brightness and very high, very light sky blue with much more brightness, right? We could use that. And monochromatic colors are more catchier. So if you want to make a website, you should probably check this video out, implement this, and I will see you in the next one.